maceration is described again in session 8, but it's where you soak things for days or months and you really extract the biochemical compounds into the solution you've put it in.
You can also give it to children. It's a very bitter herb, and often quite a lot of the herbs that are the most bitter are also good for us, in the idea that things that are very sweet sometimes aren't so good for us.
I always choose purple onions because you've got more anthocyanins in the purple colouring, and anthocyanins are so anti-inflammatory, and of course when you've got colds and flu.
They turn into these little tiny green berries here, which of course in the fullness of time, in a couple of months' time, will start turning purple. They'll expand and turn purple, very rich with antioxidants and again with these antiviral properties.